Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having with Google Forms if it says that you need permission to open it up. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you open it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner we can get started. In the upper right corner, you can get started signing up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So once you have logged into your account, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page where we can take a look, that we can get started creating a new form. We can go ahead and access all the forms that we have already created right here and so on. So let's go and take a look at what happens if we get the error that we need permission to open up a Google form. Basically guys, why does the error happen? As you can see here, we have the support page of Google showing us this option that says get permission to open up a Google form and what the problem is. Basically, you need to get permission to open a form. If you want to give somebody permission or get permission, you need to on your computer open the file. On the you need access page, the error that you're getting, you want to click request access. Once you request access, the person who owns the form is going to get the email that you want to access guys, and then they are going to go and be able to provide you the access by allowing you to answer and open up the form. So what you want to do is sign up to an account that you want to use the form with, click get access, and after that the person from the other side is going to enable you to allow you to access the form. And basically that's the only thing you can do. If you do not have access, you cannot access the form and you cannot open it up. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.